Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can take a PDF that you have that you want students to fill out as a worksheet and put it into PowerPoint so they can fill it out. So I'm at office.com. I've already logged in. I'm going to click PowerPoint and I'm going to click New Blank Presentation. And I'm going to change the size of the slides. So to do that, I go into Design, and I click slide size, and I'm going to customize slide. It has a letter paper option, and I'll make it a portrait because my worksheet is a portrait. So I'm going to ensure fit, and from here I'm just going to delete the boxes. You could keep these open if you want it to have another slide with directions, but I'm going to delete them. And now I'm going to go back into my, so now I'm going to find my worksheet that I want to put into PowerPoint. And I'm going to take a screenshot of this. So if you're on a Windows, you can take a screenshot using the screenshot app or image capture app. And if you're on a Macintosh, I use Command-Shift-4 and just snap a photo. All right. And I'll go back to the slide, and I want to add this as a background. If I just inserted it as an image, the students could delete it. But if I put it as a background, the students won't be able to delete it. So I'm going to click Background, Picture from File. I'll choose the file of the screenshot I just took, open, and insert. And now I'm going to create text boxes. So I'm going to click the Insert tab, text box, and I actually changed the shade of the text box so students know that whenever there's a light blue shade box that they need to type in it. So I'm going to move that here. Now, it won't let me make it as big as the entire thing, but as students write in it, it will expand. So not too worried about that. And then I copy it a few times to make it in the other areas. And I'm going to keep doing that until I have all the text boxes done. All right, so I've inserted all the text boxes, and now I want to save the presentation. So I'll save this as Country Research Project. And now I'm going to go into Teams and assign it to my students. So I'm hopping to Teams. I'm in the class that I want to have it as an assignment. I click Assignments, and then I click Create Assignment, and I'm going to add it as a resource. So it's in my OneDrive, and I'll click there and attach it. And you want to title it, leave any other instructions, add points, due dates, etc. But you also want to make sure that you change it from students can't edit to students edit their own copy. So this is going to distribute this one slide PowerPoint to each individual student and their own copy that they can fill in their information and then turn it back into me. So I'll fill in the rest of that information, assign. And that is how you take a PDF and put it into PowerPoint so students can fill it out as a worksheet.